Good morning, everybody. Standard students, teachers, and all. Good morning. We are here assembled for a regular assembly. Class, attention. Class, standard is. Class, attention. Hold your hands. Close your eyes. Start prayer. Open your eyes, hands down. Class, standard is. Class, attention. Class, standard is. Good morning, everybody. Now I am called over here for a speech. Ashita from 8th standard. Ashita.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I am here to speak a few words on the topic how coronavirus has changed our lives. Our lives took an unanticipated turn with the coronavirus pandemic. It has affected billions of people around the world. We are now in the disillusion phase as this virus has affected different age groups in different ways. All of us are looking forward to moving back to our normal lives. But with the vaccine months away, living with it might be a new normal where things are not going to be the same as they were before. Even though lockdown restrictions are eased, coronavirus will affect our lives in many ways. With the increasing stress of social distancing and other safety measures, what we took for granted might be gone forever. Maybe all that mattered before has no significance today. And in the end of the day, all that matters is that we have a roof over our head, good food, clothes, and people who we love are around us. And see how this virus has facilitated the healing of Earth. This tiny virus is also made us realize that life is fleeting. Maybe the coronavirus is trying to tell us that it's time to rethink about everything, how we are living our lives. So, I would like to conclude by saying that face mask, frequent hand wash, and maintaining distance of 2 yards is necessary to fight against COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Very good, Ashita. Now I will call over here Durga for news headlines. Durga from 8th standard.
Good morning. Today's news headlines. NEET 2020 declared highlights. Soeb Aftab and Akansha Singh score perfect 720 out of 720. Active COVID-19 cases in India dip below 8.2 lakh as recoveries outpace fresh cases. Karnataka flood-like situation in state. 1,000 shifted, CM calls meetings. India conducts another night trial of Prithvi 2 missile. 3 to 4 rifle fighter jets to join Indian Air Force in November first week. A team of scientists in India has developed an inexpensive paper-based test for coronavirus that could give fast results in less than an hour. Thank you.
Very good. Now I am requesting Vice Principal Sir, please address the assembly.
Thank you, sir. Respected Principal Sir, HM Madam, all teachers and dear students. Good morning to all of you. You know that I am interacting you first time the student of the class 8, and today I witnessed the performance of all the students, those who presented different activity. Arshita, she spoke well. Then the other student, they also this speech read by the news read by that girl. That was very good, informative, and the speech which was delivered by the girl Arshita. I just expect from all the students, this should not be only the speech. You should just inculcate some good habits, at least to prevent yourself as well as your family, the people surrounding you. How you can make that good practice? You convey this message to all the people, what are the protocol, and that protocol should be followed very strictly. Otherwise, what will happen? You know that this disease is it will not be just it's not like that. It will not touch the any person who is very well versed or is at a very high position, because you know that even the Donald Trump, our Home Minister, they all get affected by this disease. Therefore, the best way to take the precaution, because we have not got the medicine for that. Our Prime Minister has also started a campaign. Till the medicine is not available, we should take the precaution. Our Principal Sir has also initiated that students should spread this message, because students are the best way. Students are the best person to spread the message, because they can convey it to their family member can convey it to some other people. In that way, the mouth publicity of the campaign will be worthful. My dear student, you not only spread the message of following protocol of the COVID to all the people, but also you should follow that strictly. I enjoyed the assembly. Assembly was very good. I thanks to all the teachers, also to the students. Have a good day.
Address the assembly. Now I am requesting our PT Madam to go for yoga exercises for students. PT Madam, please.
Sit straight, all of you. Good morning, students. Sit straight. Wherever you are sitting, you have to sit straight and backbone should be straight. Chin up, chest up. And take normal breathing. Breathe in with both nostrils slowly and breathe out slowly. And each and every breathing exercise you have to repeat 3 times. Again, breathe in, normal breathing, and breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Block your right nostril with the thumb finger and inhale with your left nostrils. And block again, you have to block your left nostril and release the exhale it with right nostrils. Again, block your right nostril, inhale with left nostrils, and block your left nostril and exhale with right. Again, breathe in with left nostrils and exhale with right nostrils. Now you have to block your left nostrils and inhale with right nostrils and exhale with left nostrils. Again, inhale with right nostrils and exhale with left nostrils. The last repetition, inhale with right and exhale with left. Now you have to interlock your fingers and keep both hands on the stomach and sit straight. And when you are breathe in, you have to take full oxygen to your stomach and lungs and hold it some time. I will go to count 1, 2, 3, 4. After the 4th count, and you have to exhale with both nostrils. Okay, sit straight, all of you. Backbone straight again, and chin up, chest up. Inhale with both nostrils. Hold your hands on the stomach. Hold it some time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale it slowly. Again, inhale at the both nostrils and fill it with the oxygen, with the stomach, with the oxygen, full of oxygen and stomach. Inhale it, the both nostrils. And hold it sometime. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Exhale it slowly. Again, inhale, the last repetition, and hold it sometime. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale it slowly. Now you have to close your eyes. All of you close your eyes. Close your eyes and relax your body, mind. Relax, relax. And you have to pray for yourself and pray for your parents and pray for your teachers and whoever is related. You have to pray for them. And relax your body, mind. 30 seconds. Relax. Close your eyes and relax your body, mind. Relax. Relax. Open your eyes and rub your palm. All of you, rub your palm, touch your eyes and face. Again, rub it. The heat should come to your hand. Rub your palm and touch your eyes and face. Thank you, students. Now I will hand over the mic to the Deshpande sir.
Okay, very nice exercises, yoga exercises. Now, class, attention, class, standard is, class, attention, class, disperse.